Hi, this is Tutor Nick P, and this is Prefix 22. Prefix today is gastro, G-A-S-T-R-O, as a word beginning. All right, and we have two meanings that we will cover with gastro today. Okay, somebody wants a screenshot, do it right now. Let's get right to it. All right, here's the first meaning, of or relating to the stomach. Or the second meaning, of or relating to cooking. Okay. The prefix derives from Greek gaster, meaning stomach. So that's where we got it from. All right, and here is our first one. We're going to cover gastrointestinal, relating to your stomach and your intestines. Okay, they said he had a gastrointestinal infection. All right, gastronomy, probably one of the most common here, the activity of cooking and enjoying high quality food. He bought a cookbook titled The Art of Gastronomy. Okay. All right, Gastro Tourism, becoming more common these days. A type of tourism, visiting places to try to find local food. Okay, he travels overseas to take part in Gastro Tourism. He will plan out visits to restaurants, outdoor vendors, etc. So he likes to go around, and maybe that's their main purpose. They're not really specifically going to see the sights, even though maybe they'll do that at the same time anyway, but they really want to try the food. That's gastro-tourism. All right, gastrovascular, relating to both the digestive and one's circulatory system. Okay, so that vet studied the gastrovascular system of this animal. Okay, great. I hope you got it. I hope it was clear. I hope it was very informative. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.